gorgeous. Just beautiful. Good morning, Glory. How are you? It's a cool spring. I got no clue what I'm saying. I just barely woke up. It's a cool spring morning. It's a cool early fall. Not to worry, not to worry. Oi. So really, it's a cool early fall morning. It's not quite fall yet. It's about 9:30, if that. Cough it up, it ain't yours. So, I'm really appreciating the coolness of the morning right now. It's about 60 something. Of course, that sun coming up past the trees is starting to get hot. It's rising quickly. But we've been having real cool mornings, real cool evenings, and really hot afternoons still. About 91 is the high today, it said, and 61 Fahrenheit is the low. So this is good. It's good. We're finally climbing out of the 90s, and I'm really glad about that. It's wonderful.